Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Abhishek and I am back with another video. In today's video, I have brought an amazing logo intro specially for YouTube. So let's first see how is this logo intro. This logo intro is having 3 versions, so you can download all 3 versions or you can download a version of your choice. So if you want to download this logo intro for free, just hit the subscribe button to get access to these files. If you are looking for an amazing logo intro for your YouTube channel, just check out my other videos where you can find amazing logo intros for your YouTube channel. Or even if you want to learn how to make cinematic intros, check out my videos to learn how to make cinematic intros. So guys, without any further delay, let's start today's video and let's see how to use these files to create your logo intro. So first of all, download any version, then double click on it to extract it. Then double click on extracted file. It will take you to this screen. Press OK. Now you will see all these files on your timeline, so no need to change predefined settings of these files. And predefined logo is on track 12. So first of all, let's import one logo, drag and drop it on track 13 and extend its duration. Now click on first keyframe on track 12, then select your logo clip and decrease its scale to 10% and decrease its opacity to 0. Now click on second keyframe on track 12, then select your logo on track 13 and increase opacity up to 60% and increase scale by 40%. Now click on third keyframe and select your clip and increase scale by 50 and increase opacity to 100%. Now hide logo on track 12 and click on pre-render button for smooth playback. Now let's see what we got here. So let me do little bit alignment. For alignment, select your logo clip, go to video tab and under video, align its x-axis position. Let me decrease scale by 5%, so make it 45. Now once again click on render button and let's play it once again. Now if you want to add bit more effect in it, just take playhead at the end position of your logo clip and increase scale by 5 or 10%. It is totally depend on you. So it will create a kind of zooming effect. Now to export it, click on export, give name to your clip and select format of your choice. Click on setting, quality select best, frame rate 60 frames per second and click OK and then click on export. Now let's play it once again. So guys, this is how you can create an amazing logo intro for your YouTube channel by using these project files, especially for gamers who's out there and looking for amazing logo intros. So try this logo intro. So if you want to download these logo files for free, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning, keep watching. Goodbye. Jai Hind.